Wanna go peck some bugs and save the forest? Then come play the Woodpecker II game by Bravo Amusement. Woodpecker features a 2-player cabinet with an eye-catching tree trunk roller, forest-themed artwork, atmospheric sound, and enjoyable gameplay, which brings a fun and unique experience for the whole family. Woodpecker is 3 feet 6.5 inches wide, 5 feet 1 inch deep, and 6 feet 3 inches tall. Woodpecker is a mechanical redemption game that is simple to play and has strong appeal for all ages. Move the handle left and right, aim, and push the button to peck the bug that's fast-moving and lit up. Quick reactions, timing, and luck are the key to winning more tickets. Whenever you peck a bug, you'll win a light at the score panel. The more bugs you peck, the more chances of lighting up that area. When the time is over, the flashing light spins rapidly and stops randomly at the score panel. The score covered is the number of tickets you can win. So what about the lucky part? If the light covers the apple, you instantly win a chance to continue the game with 1 more credit. Oh, by the way, all the lights you won will remain on the next game and players can win more tickets. If the light covers the woodpecker, you'll light up 1 icon. Collect and light up all 5 woodpecker icons to win the jackpot. With the highly entertaining handling and challenging jackpot gameplay, Woodpecker II drives replay value and makes the perfect family favorite addition to any redemption arcade. Contact the Bravo Amusement team for more information.